Today we are at 256 North Benjamin Street in Stateline, Nevada. So Stateline, Nevada is on the south side of Lake Tahoe, but don't confuse that with South Lake Tahoe, which is on the California side. Because you know me, I want to be on the Nevada side. I don't want to pay California state taxes. So everything I'm going to show you is going to be on the Nevada side. So this is 256 North Benjamin. It is listed for $1,695,000. It is a 5-bedroom house. This is a party and entertaining house. I love it. And everybody says the heart of a house is in the kitchen. So if you've got a big house, you need a big kitchen with a big heart, and that's where we're starting this video today. So we've got a 9-foot naturally cut table here. It's gorgeous. I mean, you can fit so many people here. I love it. We've got plenty of room for everybody else. We've kind of got a rustic Tahoe theme. This house was built in 1964, but it's been completely refurbished and added on to it. Looks like, I'm not sure about that, but it just looks like, to me, from my experience, they weren't building houses this big way back in 1964. But I could be wrong. I've been wrong before, but usually not about real estate. It's a fun house. We've got some nice skylights in here to keep things light. We've got a great phonograph with Rod Stewart's greatest hits. We've got Neil Diamond, some great albums here. I was perusing through these, bringing back a lot of memories. So a fun house. Let's go with a fun house theme. I love it. Not fun house like Carnival Fun House. Fun to be in, fun to entertain, fun to go visit Tahoe. Because this is on a vacation rental program. It's 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths. So everybody's going to be comfortable and great. We've got an awesome little wine barrel table here. I love that. So if someone's just hanging out, I mean, this is where I am. If we're entertaining here, I'm hanging out, people are cooking, I've got some wine, I'm hanging out with my friends, talking, telling stories. I love it. Just makes me feel really comfortable. This is your pantry here for the kitchen. Certainly is nice and accessible. We've got a big fridge, Whirlpool Gold. All right. We got your stove with the nice vents. I like that. And one thing I don't like is when you're cooking and the whole house starts to smell. This thing looks like it's gonna move some air. So well done with that. They put in some nice granite. It's a nice soft gold tones in here. And you know I like the window looking out. So we've got a nice window looking out up the hill. And really neat. I was gonna say this later, but just made me think of it now. If you hike up to the top of that hill, you've got really nice views of the lake. Check these out. Isn't that beautiful? So if you want to get a glass of wine, get a little charcuterie board, you can go up there in the afternoon and watch the sunset. I think that would be a great way to spend the evening. As we come to the kitchen, it's kind of a gala kitchen. We've got double ovens here, microwave, more counter space. We've got a coffee maker. We've got the door that goes outside. There's a hot tub and a lounging area. They've got games set up. They've got the cornhole, the ring on the string. I don't know what that's called. Somebody let me know what that's called. The ring on the string where you kind of flip it and try and get on the hook. So it's a nice covered patio, and I like the hot tub. It's a private area. I like that. But before we go out there is a full bath here. So there's a full bath on this floor. So, like I said, everybody can be getting ready at the same time. Because one of the things in Tahoe is like you'll go to the lake and everybody comes home and wants to take a shower or a bath, or you go skiing, everybody wants to come and take a shower and bath. So having 5 bathrooms, everybody should be comfortable. So this is the master bedroom. It's right off the kitchen. The kitchen's right behind my videographer there. So you come in the master bedroom. It's very good size. You got enough room for a big bed, nightstands. They've got the whole log theme going here, which I love. And then the hot tub's right out there. So you can go in the hot tub, get all relaxed, and just take 10 steps to get to bed, and you'll sleep like a baby. It's awesome. They've got a full bathroom in here with double sinks, tub. They've remodeled everything, looks beautiful. The toilet in there is a separate room. It's a really nice master bedroom. So this is bedroom number 2. It's right next to the master bedroom. Again, this is an ensuite bedroom, very comfortable. It's got the ceiling fan, it's got a little fireplace, it's got the TV, and of course the window that's gonna let a lot of light in. I like that. And this is the den. You're using it as a workstation, so if people are here on vacation rental program or if you want to work from home, this is a great little office, right? Because everything's remote now. You don't need a huge office anymore, so this is a perfect little size. I like it. So this is bedroom number 3. Similar to bedroom number 2, we've got a ceiling fan, we've got the fireplace, we've got the TV. It's en suite with its own bathroom. And this is the bedroom for the early morning risers, because you're gonna get a lot of early morning light in this bedroom. So if someone wants to sleep in, this is not the bedroom for them. Either be in the master bedroom or the downstairs bedroom, but you've got a nice patio door here that goes out to a beautiful sun deck with the table out there. It's gorgeous. So this would be a great room for people who like to get up early. So this is bedroom number 4, similar to the others. And I didn't mention earlier, but this house is being sold completely furnished, which I love because you can just buy it, move right in and start enjoying Lake Tahoe to the fullest. It's great. Again, another bedroom, not as much light coming in this bedroom as the bedroom number 3, but still a bedroom for early morning risers here. You've got a slider that goes out to this beautiful sun deck. It's got its own bathroom, TV, fireplace, another great bedroom that's gonna make everybody comfortable. Before I go downstairs and show you the living room and the game room, let me introduce myself. My name is Tuoto. I'm the managing broker for eXp Luxury Real Estate in Incline Village, Nevada. Broker salesman's license number 144620. And if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and subscribe, and you'll be the first one notified when I put out another video that shows about the living in Lake Tahoe, the real estate in Lake Tahoe, and it'll keep you apprised of the real estate market on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe. So if you're thinking about making a move in 6 days, 6 months, or even 16 months, go ahead and send me an email, shoot me a text, or give me a phone call, and I'll make sure your move to Lake Tahoe, Nevada is the best real estate experience you've ever had. So let's go check out the living room. So this house, the 5-bedroom house I'm standing in, is over 3,500 square feet. So they've got a really nice, big, super comfortable living room, which I love. It's got its own fireplace, big TV, super duper looking comfortable chair there. I don't want to sit in it, I probably wouldn't get out. A nice L-shaped couch, we've got a door going outside, big windows letting all the light in. And what I love is they've got these picture windows up there opening up to the kitchen. So if you've got people in the kitchen, you can look down, you can ask somebody, hey, what was the score of that game, or whatever it is. I think it's really great. They've got a big ceiling fan, move a little bit of air. So a very comfortable room, I love it. But what I'm about to show you next is the funnest room in the house, I guarantee it. Now this is the game room. I told you this is the funnest room in the house. Is this not awesome? We've got a nice big pool table here. I love the red felt. It's always good. You've got the ceiling fan to keep the air moving. We got a little fireplace here. And then we have this beautiful bar. It starts out saying happy hour, right? I want to be happy for an hour. So this would be great if someone's here. You can entertain all your friends. You've got a big couch in the middle. We've got a lot of light coming in, showing the trees and the mountains. A little bit of shuffleboard, you've got your poker table here, and then we have foosball in the corner. So very comfortable room, very nicely done. They've got the wood on the walls with the cut logs on the walls. I mean, I could just imagine having a really nice party down here, entertaining your friends. It's pretty great. So this is nice, typical Tahoe house. They've got a nice entryway mudroom, so if you come in, you can sit down and take your boots off. Or if you come in from the garage, which is right here, they've got the garage coming right into the mudroom, or the front door going right into the mudroom. So it all works out. You've got a nice garage here, it's good size, you've got room for storage. You should be really comfortable with this house. Another great feature of this house is this sun deck. Isn't this awesome? You can have a lot of people out here laying out, getting sun, or hanging out, whatever you want to do. You can do morning yoga out here or Pilates. It's great. You can hike up the hill and get the great sun views. There's another little deck just below this with a table and everything, so if you want to eat out there, it's great. And then you also have the back patio behind the house with the barbecue, the hot tub, and the outdoor furniture as well. So a lot of great entertaining in the house and outside of the house. And the house itself is in a really great location. I've got beautiful forested area across the street that's undeveloped. Chart House, one of my favorite restaurants, is not even a mile down the road. They've got an amazing happy hour down there with great prices on their appetizers. They've got a really good wine list. I've always had really good service there. We've done winemaker dinners there, which are really great. So, and then just another few miles down the road is all of Stateline with all the big casinos and the great entertainment. We've seen some awesome concerts there. They just finished the Tahoe Blues Center, which is a new convention center, so they're having indoor concerts there. In the summertime, they have outdoor concerts. We've seen some great bands like Duran Duran, Journey, Alan Jackson, Elton John, Lady Gaga, Aerosmith has played there. It's just amazing, and it's just 10 minutes away. I love it. So great location on this house. Very, very well set up for entertaining indoors and out, and a great location, so nobody's going to be bored if they come here. And of course, the lake and the beaches are all right down the hill. Heavenly Ski Resort is right there. It's just a fantastic location for this house at 256 Benjamin in Stateline, Nevada. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe. And if you're looking to make the move to Lake Tahoe, Nevada, go ahead and send me an email, shoot me a text, or give me a phone call, and I'll make sure your move to Lake Tahoe, Nevada is the best move you've ever made.